Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling the developer console and protecting your saves. Open your game launcher, add the console flag to launch options, then start Bg3 once. Make sure to back up your save directory now so you can revert changes if needed. Once done, press the console key to confirm it opens. If it doesn't, revisit launch options and restart the client. This step lets you run commands safely without risking permanent progress loss. You will then practice core commands and their syntax so you can modify characters and the world. Try simple safe commands first, like spawning a test item or giving one ability and observe results. When using names with spaces, wrap them in quotes, and when teleporting, use coordinates or named markers carefully. Make incremental changes and save between tries so you can trace which command caused what. This approach prevents cascading errors and keeps your session recoverable. You finish by committing safe changes and knowing how to recover if something breaks. Save to a new slot after each successful edit, and if a command corrupts progress, load your backup save file immediately. If the console fails or commands throw errors, restart Bg3 and verify game files or disable recent mods, then retry only one change at a time. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a clean backup and restore it first. That's the fastest way to undo complex mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.